Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, we are going to look at this new update from UCI Machine Learning Data Repository and how to download datasets from this particular repository. So in my previous video, which I talked about how to download datasets from UCI Machine Learning, we had this old interface which have now been updated to new interface which looks similar to the Kaggle website, where you can also download your data sets from there. So UCI Machine Learning Repository is an archive website where you find data sets for your machine learning and also your data analysis, either the classification, the regression, or the cluster. You get all types of data sets, including the time series data set. Okay, so this archive link will be shared in my description section, where you can get access to their platform to download your data set. Or you can go to Google and search for UCI datasets. When you click on search, the first link that comes, you click on it, it will take you to their website. Okay, so let's check this new update. Now when you click on the link, see the interface looks similar to Kaggle. So when you click on the link, you see the filter. So you see the UCI Machine Learning Repository, their logo. Now you can log in, and I know now you can also donate your data sets like the way Kaggle also does this. In Kaggle, when you log in, you can either download your data set, you can take competition, or you can also import your data sets, which it will be public out. Okay, so now let's look at the new features from UCI, and I'm liking the features here. It's very simple. So we have the keyword if you want to search for a particular data set. Now we have the data type. The data type, we have the image. So if you want the data set to be the image ones, which you'll be doing your machine learning, you can just click on the image, which to filter for you. So as you can see, we have the UMU face image, we have the NASA flag extend detection, we have the cloud, we have a whole lot. We have the multivariant. So when you click on the multivariant, so you see it's more like the classification. So we have the heart disease, we have the adult, we have the breast cancer, we have a whole lot of data sets, millions data sets. We have the sequential, we have the tableau, we have the test, we have the time series, we have others, which is not classified. Okay, so now when we move to the subject area, we have the biology, we have the climate, we have the computer science, we have the games, we have the law. So if you want a particular area which you want to do your analysis, let's say you want to do your machine learning in game areas, you just come to game. When you select the game, it will filter and it will bring all the data sets which falls under the games category. Now let's go down. We have the tags. So this was what I was talking about, the type of data sets. We have the clarification, we have the regression, we have the clustering, and we have the others, which maybe belongs to the classification, regression, or clustering. Okay, we have this feature. Okay, so the data features. Now we have less than 10, we have 10 to 100, we have more than, and we have the instances. So that is the characteristics of the data set which you want. And we have the feature type, we have the numerical, we have the categorical, we have the mixed, and now we have the Python. So the new big updates from the UCI website is you can install the UCI package straight in your Python code. Now you install the package and you just connect it straight to this data set. So there is no need for it to be downloaded. You can just pick it straight from this website. Okay, so the Irish since we've been using Irish and also Boston housing pricing, we have the 1 to 8 classification. So let's try the one. So let's try the Irish. Okay. So here you see we have the data set, contribute data set. Here you can donate, and here you can link to another external. You can log in for more features. Okay, so we have the download, we have the import in Python. So let's click on it so you can see. So here you install the UCI ML Repo package in your Python, and also you import a data set, your code into your code. So when you install the package, you just come and copy this code. So you can click on it, which will take you to the GitHub. Now you install the package. It shows you how to install a package. Now you install a package, you see example usage, you just fetch it and you declare the data set name. So let's say if it's a heart disease, you put it there. So now you have the access data, you are getting access to the data, and you are going to put in your model. Yeah, that is the machine learning model. Okay, so here also talks about the line of code. So they return the data sets, the features are all here, the variables, you can see all here. Okay, so we are still on the Irish data set, and you can see donated 1988, long time. Okay, so here you get information about the data set and has missing values. If you want to find out whether your data set has a missing value, you can also find it here, and you see the variables. So here you are going to see the variable names, you are going to see the row, and you are going to see the type. So this is the baseline model performance. If you want to see the accuracy, you want to see the precision, you see all here. Okay, so let's download our data set. Now you click on it, you just click on the data set, bingo, it will download for you. Now you open. Okay, let me use this one rather. Okay, so now I have our Irish data set. So here is our data set. Okay, so we have our data set here. We have our data set here. So here was the features we are talking about. We have the pental, and the class. So here is the class. Okay, and if you want to put this data set in Excel, it's very easy. You just open your Excel. You just open your Excel. You click, now you come here. You just copy. So you put it here. Now you need to put them all in one cells. So you can come to data. Okay. Yes, comma. Next. So finish. Now it's done. So you just come to the website. Now you type in the length. Now we have the class. So as you can see, now the data set is ready. So you can just save it and you start your machine learning or your analysis. It's very easy. Okay, so we have the heart disease. It's also the same. You are going to see the variables here. You are seeing the age, you are seeing the sex, you are seeing the old peak. You are seeing a lot of features here. And I think there is a place where you can see the number of records. Let me see. So here you are seeing, okay, so we are having 13. Sorry, 13 features. That is the column. And now we are seeing the 303 instances. That is the number of records. So if you want to restrict yourself to some instances, you can come here. So you see, when you click on less, you're going to get less than 100. When you click on 100 to 1000, you're going to get it also from here. So basically it's the same thing. So you see, you download this, you just fetch the data you want. So you just put there the data name there, you just fetch it, it will give it to you. It's very easy. Okay, so you can also search. So let's say you want Boston housing. Okay, so that was the filter. So Boston housing. Let's check. Okay, we don't have the Boston housing data set here. Boston. Okay, so let's search here rather. Boston housing. I like this data set. That's what I used when I was learning. Okay, it's also not there. Let me type Irish and see. Okay, so when I checked on the Irish now, is the showing. So I think the Boston data set is not there. It should be there. It should be there. It should be there. Okay. Let's go to the. It was numeric, but it was regression. So if you want a time series data set, you can equally come here. We have the time series data set. I saw it here. Yeah. So we have the time series data set here. It's going to break it down. So we have the air quality, and we have the productive prediction. We have a lot of data sets here, but it's the same thing. It's the same thing. So you can download your data sets, or you can import straight to Python. See, it's done. And now if you want to donate data sets, you come to the donate new, where you are going to read the important information below to be able to do. What I know is you don't donate or you don't upload your personal information here. So I think it's part here. When you say explicit information, also if your data has you also personally identify information, it should be removed. Yeah. Okay, so that is all for this video. If you like it, don't forget to click on the like button, and if you have any question, you can also comment in the comment section. Okay, so thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Peace.